Opening a Demat account is easy, but do you know how to actually buy your first stock? In this video, we are going to break down how a trading platform actually works. To placing your first order, to understanding order types, to exploring the tools and the tabs that make you an informed trader. First, we'll talk about what is a trading platform. A trading platform is an interface that connects you, the retail investor, to the stock exchange. It's like your personal cockpit. You log in using your broker credentials, and from there you can view stock prices in the real time, place order, that is buy or sell shares, check the portfolio performance, access charts, indicators and watch list, and even download report for tax filing. Popular Indian trading platforms include Investmentor Securities Limited, Grow, etc. Every platform has a different design, but the logic is always the same. Now we'll talk about the key tabs on the trading platform. Let's explore the most important section that you will find inside. First is the watch list, your personalized list of stocks. You can add any ticker that you want to track like HDFC, Reliance, TCS, etc. Here you will see the last traded price, that is the LTP, percentage change for the day, high, low, volume, etc. Second is the order window. This is where you actually place trades. You choose buy or sell, the quantity, order type, product type, and the price. Third is holdings. This tab shows you all the stocks that you actually own with the buy average price, current market price, unrealized profit or loss, and the quantity held. Fourth is positions. If you are doing FNO or intraday trading, this tab shows the live P&L for your trades today. Fifth is orders, a log of all the orders placed, including completed, pending, rejected or cancelled orders. Sixth is funds. Here, you can add or withdraw money from your trading account. It also shows the available balance, used margin and the collateral value. Seventh is charts and analytics. This is for the technical traders. You can open candlestick charts and indicators like moving averages, MACD, RSI and draw the trend lines. Now we'll talk about as to how to buy a stock. Step-by-step process. Let's say you want to buy 10 shares of Infosys. Step 1. Add INFI to your watch list. Step 2. Click on the buy button. Step 3. Choose quantity equals to 10. Step 4. Select the order type. Step 5. The product type, that is equal to CNC delivery. Step 6. Confirm the order. The moment your order matches with a seller on the exchange at that price, your trade gets executed. Once completed, the shares will reflect in your holding by T+1 day, that is the next day. Now we'll talk about the type of orders that you can place. Order type defines how your order is executed in the market. First is market order. Your order gets executed at the current best available price. Its benefit is that there is fast execution, and its drawback is that there is no price control. Second is limit order. You set the exact price. Your order will only be executed if the stock hits that price. The benefit is the price control, and the drawback is that the order might not be executed if it does not reaches that price. The third is stop loss, that is SLN orders. It is used to protect your downside. For example, if you bought the Infosys share at 1500 and you place the SL at 1480, if the price drops, then your SL triggers and exit the position to limit your loss. SL is stop loss with limit price and SLM is stop loss at market price. Fourth is GTT or GTD orders. GTT, that is good till triggered. These are long duration stop loss or target orders, useful for swing or delivery traders. Now we'll talk about the product types, that is delivery versus intraday. First is CNC, that is cash and carry. It is used for delivery based trades. You buy a stock today and hold it in your Demat. No leverage, no auto square off. Second is MIS, that is margin intraday square off. It is used for intraday trades. You buy and sell within the same day. Platform may give 5x to 10x margin but also square off before the market closes. Third is NRML, used in derivatives for holding overnight FNO positions without leverage. Here are some pro tips for the beginners. First, always double check your order before placing. A 1000 stock with 1000 quantity equals to 10 lakh rupees. Second, start with limit order if you are new. They give better control then market orders. Third, use stop loss orders. Always. It's like an insurance policy for your capital. Fourth is avoid excessive margin. High leverage equals to high risk equals to high chances of loss. Fifth, explore your platform's analytics tab to learn the patterns, trends, and to improve. Learning to trade, it's like learning to drive. It's not about the speed, it's about the control. And your trading platform is your dashboard. The more you understand its buttons, tabs, and tools, the better decisions you will make. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more such videos, and do comment below and let us know what was the first stock that you ever bought and why. Till then, see you in the next video. Take care and happy investing.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. The securities quoted are exemplary and are not recommendatory.